Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe, give us a like. Today, I've got a Suzuki Vitara 2015 with the boot that won't open. Open the car, absolutely nothing. It doesn't work on the key. So we're going to have to open it with the emergency open. Just move the stuff out of the way. So if we put the rear seats down and look in the boot, you can see inside of the boot latch there. And on there, I don't know whether you can see that clearly, you can see this little lever. If we push that little lever up, the boot will open. That's the emergency release. Now we've got the boot open. You can see the emergency release lever just there in the lock. So what we now need to do is remove this cover. It's just held on with push clips. So if you can just get your fingers behind one point of it and just start to pull it off nice and gently. Just run your hand along until you find a clip, just pull down. Nice sharp pull down until the whole thing comes off. Just pop that in the boot for safekeeping. Now we are left with the mechanism. So you've got the boot lock mechanism wiring. This is the wiring that comes through from the boot switch, which we suspect has failed. So we're just going to take that apart and have a look. We are going to need to undo 10mm, 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 and one more 10mm up there. Once we undo them, the front panel in the boot will come off, as you'll see. And also these clips we're going to need to squeeze with a pair of pliers so we don't break them. There's a few along there. Once we do that, this whole top section will come off. Now we've undone the 10mm and squeezed the clips, we just need to undo the wiring, push the grommet through, just up there, just so it's loose. Then we'll go up here, and then we can slowly bring off the whole unit, like that. Now it's time to strip down and find the problem. And I can already see the problem. The wire from the switch is actually corroded and broken out. So we're going to need a new switch, which will come with a loom, a wireless boot opener, and the switch itself. Let's just take it apart. 2 Phillips screws. Take them out, set them aside, don't lose them. The handle comes off complete. Also 2 more Phillips screws. In here. That one's very corroded. Put the bracket aside, unclip the wiring, that's the wiring loom, down to the switch, and now for the keyless entry parts. Two more Phillips screws, also very corroded. bracket off of there. And as you can see, set that aside. And this is the new part that we need. So we need to go to Suzuki, order the part and wait for that to come in. Let's do that. Okay, here we have our new part. Part number if you need it. We've got a shiny brand new switch, loom, grommet, keyless entry button. So now we just have to put that back together. On here is a cutout. One's got a square cutout, one's got a circle cutout, which they match up there and there, just so you can get it the right way around. Pop these screws back in. Now that's the loom, switch, loom, all fitted. Now we need to just pop this back on the car. Now the new switch is fitted, the panel's back on, we're just going to plug it in. Make sure the grommet seals up. Just plug it back in and just see if it works. There you go, you heard that click, that means the boot's opening fine, the switch is working as it should. So now we can put all of our bolts back on, put the panel back on, and that's job done. Now all the bolts are tightened up, we get our panel, and it just easily fits back on. Tap that all the way around, that's nice and secure. All the tools we needed for this job: 10mm socket on a 3/8 ratchet, long nose pliers, Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver because one of the Phillips heads on the screws was corroded and needed a flathead to get it out, but now that's all sorted. Let's test the boot. So now it's shut, open. Now, thanks for watching. If you enjoy my content or you found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If I can help anyone out in any way, drop me a comment down below. Thank you, see you later.